I told you 3 top stories on the show today, and we move on now to the other big one, the Motorola G. Now, this, of course, is the second generation Motorola from the Moto G, unfortunately named again Moto G. I would really have expected them to do the G2 or anything else added on, because very confusing. Otherwise, they do call it second generation. But just like Apple did with the iPad, I think it's a marketing and branding mistake. But all the buts then stop right there and then, because this has turned out to be an exceptional phone for the price, for the Motorola brand, and for everything they've put into it. So first and foremost, it's again typical of what Motorola has been doing. It's very well put together. Great material and craftsmanship into the phone, a premium look in your hand. There is enough changes from the previous one, and then we move into the insides. So let's take a look at our review.
Take a look at this phone. Let's go in a little closer. Okay, an even closer look. Now turn it around. You've seen this before, right? Wrong! This is not the Moto G, but this is the Moto G in Avatar 2, or as Motorola calls it, Moto G second generation. It has a 5-inch HD screen which is bigger than the 4.5-inch screen on the Moto G. Due to the same resolution on a large screen, the pixel density has reduced, but that makes little difference to the screen. The display still looks bright and pop enough for a phone in this segment. It has dual speakers above and below the screen for better amplified sound. For gaming fans, this one will provide a better experience with a 1.2 GHz quad-core processor. It has 1 GB RAM. The storage is 16 GB with a memory card slot for expansion to up to 32 GB. The micro SD card slot is one addition from the previous gen. The other change that you probably can't spot is the water-resistant coating on the phone. But don't go swimming with the phone. It can just take a few drops of water or an occasional splash. With all these specs, it is more than equipped to run Android KitKat OS. You get a pure and clean Android experience with no unnecessary gimmicks or garbage. The optics have been boosted a bit, at least in specs. The back camera is 8 megapixel and the front camera 2 megapixel, up from the 5 megapixel and 1.2 megapixel in the Moto G. But even then, the performance remains basic. Motorola has maintained the same battery at 2070 mAh, but for the price point, this is possible. Yes, the price point. The phone is priced at 12,999 rupees. Interestingly, $1,000 lesser than what the first gen Moto G was introduced at. The phone is exclusively available via Flipkart. The Cell Guru verdict. Priced exceptionally well, the Moto G is an outstanding phone for the price and perhaps beats a few phones from a higher price bracket. But be warned, it is not a revolutionary change from the previous Moto G, but even then remains a phone worth your buck.